Has this ever happened to you? You sit in your adjustable office chair and you get that sinking feeling. Step 1. Raise the adjustable gas cylinder to its highest position and lift the cylinder skirt. If you can see the cylinder, the shiny steel rod, then you can snap on the spacers under the skirt. If you can't see the cylinder, then use the alternate installation method. Step 2. Keep adding spacers until you get the correct ergonomic height, keeping the spacers pointed in the same general direction. A quick way to get the correct height is to add spacers until the seat height is at knee level when standing. Make sure your feet are flat on the ground when you sit down. Also, adjust the seat pan so that the space between the front edge of the chair and the lower part of the legs just fits a clenched fist. Step 3. Sit in your chair and lower the cylinder under the spacers to activate the elastomeric bond between them. The chair now has a consistent ergonomic and cushion height every time you sit down. The chair spins as easily and smoothly as it did when it was new. Now sit back and enjoy your usable office chair for another 5 years. Use this alternate installation method if you can't see the cylinder after lifting the cylinder skirt. Step 1. Raise the adjustable gas cylinder to its highest position and pull the cylinder skirt down until you see the cylinder. Then snap on the spacers. Step 2. Repeat until you get correct ergonomic height, keeping the spacers pointed in the same general direction. Use the same ergonomic suggestions mentioned previously to achieve a quick and comfortable chair height and seat adjustment. Step 3. Sit in your chair and lower the cylinder onto the spacers to activate the elastomeric bond between them. You can use either method and achieve the same results. Removal of the chair saver kit is just as easy. Simply grab the lip of the spacer and pull towards your body to snap them off the cylinder.